Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's become a game changer in the hair care world, the Aphrona Advanced Hair Growth System 272 HairPro Laser Cap. If you've been dealing with mild to moderate hair loss or thinning hair, this FDA-cleared device promises visible hair regrowth. Let's take a closer look at how it works and whether it really delivers the results it claims. The Aphrona Laser Cap utilizes 272 laser diodes that work together to promote hair regrowth. Unlike many other devices on the market, the unique design allows the lasers to cover your entire scalp without requiring you to move the device around manually. This ensures that the treatment is even and effective. The cap works by using low-level laser therapy, LLT, a clinically proven technique for stimulating hair follicles and encouraging growth. And the best part? It's non-invasive and pain-free. When it comes to the experience of using the Aphrona cap, it's all about convenience. You simply wear it for 30 minutes, up to 3 times per week, and let it work its magic while you go about your day. You can wear it while working on your computer, watching TV, or even while taking a walk. Super easy to integrate into a busy lifestyle. And when your session is over, the cap shuts off automatically, so there's no need to worry about timing or turning it off yourself. In terms of performance, the results can vary from person to person, but users typically start to see visible improvement in their hair within 3 to 6 months. For those with mild to moderate androgenetic alopecia or pattern baldness, this could be a viable solution to help restore thicker, fuller hair. And because it's FDA cleared, you can rest assured that the technology is both safe and effective for home use. The cap is rechargeable, which is a great feature. It means you can use it anywhere without being tethered to a wall outlet. The rechargeable battery pack also makes it portable, and you even get a travel bag for on-the-go use. On top of that, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, offering peace of mind in case any issues arise. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of this device. On the plus side, the Aphrona cap is incredibly easy to use. You don't need to put in much effort other than wearing the cap during your designated time. It's also discreet, meaning you can use it while doing other activities. The rechargeable battery is another highlight. It's great for portability. Plus, the design is comfortable, and it's clear that a lot of thought went into making this an easy-to-incorporate tool for your hair care routine. On the flip side, there are some drawbacks. First, the price point may be high for some. While the device is FDA cleared and uses advanced laser technology, not everyone may be willing to invest in a laser cap. Results also vary depending on the individual, so it's important to manage expectations. Some users may not see the full results they hope for within the 3 to 6 month window. And it's important to remember that this device works best for those with mild to moderate hair loss. When evaluating value for money, the Aphrona Laser Cap is on the higher end of the price spectrum. However, for those who are serious about regrowing hair and are looking for a non-invasive, clinically backed solution, the investment might be worth it. The convenience of using it at home, coupled with the lack of side effects and downtime, can be a significant benefit for those who need a simple yet effective hair growth treatment. As for alternatives, there are other laser hair growth caps on the market, but they may not always come with the same level of advanced features or FDA clearance. Some lower-priced options might offer fewer laser diodes or require more frequent use to achieve results. If the Aphrona cap feels a bit steep for your budget, you may want to explore those alternatives, but keep in mind that they may not offer the same degree of coverage or effectiveness. Looking at the build quality, the cap is well-made, lightweight, and comfortable to wear. The rechargeable battery pack is efficient, and the overall design is sleek and modern. It feels like a high-quality device built to last. If you take care of it, there's no reason why this cap won't continue to work well for years to come. In terms of customer support, while I haven't had to reach out to Aphrona directly, the brand does provide a 1-year warranty and offers a reputation for responsive service. That's always a good sign when buying tech or beauty devices that you'll be using regularly. So, does the Aphrona Laser Cap live up to its claims? Yes, but with a few considerations. It's a solid choice for those dealing with mild to moderate hair loss who are looking for a convenient, non-invasive solution to regrow their hair. While it may not be for everyone, especially those with more advanced hair loss or those on a tight budget, it's certainly worth considering if you're looking for a clinically proven method for thicker, fuller hair. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best in beauty. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. And remember, if you've tried the Aphrona cap, or if you have any thoughts on laser hair growth devices, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.